love. This is what the heck?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gauri and I post beauty related content on my channel like makeup and skincare and little bit of fashion here and there. And yeah, if that's something that interests you, then please continue watching. As you guys must have already read from the title, that I'm gonna be sharing a huge Nykaa haul with you all, and I'm super excited for this video. Okay, so I'm gonna start with, in no particular order, but I'm gonna start with some skincare and hair care products, which are like 2 or 3 only. So starting off with my favorite product, which is this Rice Water Bright face wash from the Face Shop, and oh my god, this is like my 4th or 5th tube, and I love it so much. Me and my sister love this so much. Okay, and yeah, I have like 2 others in my washroom as well. Please ignore that background noise. Okay, there's some construction going on, so please ignore that. Okay, and I'm gonna leave all the price point and everything here or in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So the next thing I got is also from the Face Shop. It's the Face Shop Chia Seed Hydro Creme. I know this is on the expensive side, but worth every single penny. Let me quickly show you guys the texture of it. I mean, look at it. It's so good. If you're planning to buy this, go ahead, buy this if you are like 2500 budget for a moisturizer. So yeah, the next thing I got is actually a hair care product. It's the Livon serum. Okay, I got in the smaller version, and this is the bottle I got. This was for like 60 or 70 rupees. I'll mention it here. I mean, nothing to say about it. I mean, it's the OG product. I love it so much. I purchased it after a long time. So yeah, so now I have all the makeup products. Okay, the first thing I have with me is this Blue Heavens Oil Control Primer. Okay, it says flawless makeup base primer, and it's like a decent primer. Okay, it fills in your pores like nicely, controls your oil and blah blah blah. For the price point, it's like really good. So the next thing I got is from Inside Cosmetic. It's their concealer palette, pro concealer palette, and it was like really cheap for like 200 or something, but it's really good. Okay, this is how it looks like, and see, I have used it a little and I really like this. I mean, for like 200 or 220, I believe the price is like this only, but it is really good. Okay, it's like super creamy. Let me guys give you one swatch. Okay, so it glides like a butter. Okay, it's like really soft and blends in really nicely, and this is what I have on my under eyes right now, and I love it so much. ज़्यादा रिव्यू नहीं दूंगी वरना इतना लंबा ज़्यादा वीडियो होने वाला है. So the next thing I got is also a primer from Sugar Cosmetics. It's the most eligible soothing blur primer, and this is the packaging. I know it's quite dirty because I have used it. It's their classic tube packaging. I mean, the primer is like okay. I'm not mad about it. It's like wow, oh my god, it's like okay.
It's like a bad hair day. Okay, ignore my hair. I know it's like all over the place.
So the next thing I got is again from Sugar. It's their face palette, and this is how it looks like. It has like blush, contour and highlighter. Let me show you guys. I mean, let me give you guys one swatch. Okay, so this is their contour, highlighter. It's like really amazing. Okay, and the blush. Okay, this is in the shade 01, I believe. Yeah, 01 Subtle Summit. Okay, so I really like this. I have like its mini versions as well. If you guys don't want to spend this much on this palette, you can definitely buy that smaller version. Yeah, I have this. Okay, this is how it looks like. This is the contour. Okay, so you can buy this as well. So the next thing I got is again from Sugar. It's their Ace of Face foundation stick, and this is in the shade 42. Oh my god, मैंने 42 क्यों choose किया मेरे को नहीं पता, but it's like really dark. Okay, this is the packaging. It has like shade range and everything. I mean, shade name here. And this is the foundation stick. It's like pretty dark for me. I hope the camera is catching. Okay, it's like pretty dark, but the formula is like buttery soft. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it here. Okay, did you guys saw that? It's like really creamy and blends in like real quick in like no time. It's like really soft, and on the other side you'll get this brush. Okay, it's like a decent brush. अगर मैं इससे blend करने बैठ गई ना, मेरा पूरा दिन जाने वाला है, but it's like quite travel friendly. So yeah, I think sugar से मैंने इतना ही सब लिया था बीच में. I'll show you guys. The next thing I got was this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and this was in the shade 317, I believe. I'll mention it again, okay? And this is the most beautiful concealer ever I've tried, okay? It's like full coverage, okay? It's full coverage. So the shade is like little bit darker for my skin tone. It has like orangish undertone in it, but it like, I like it, okay? For cancelling the darkness around my under eye, around my mouth area, it's like really good. It's not matte, okay? It doesn't give like matte finish. It's like good matte-ish satin finish, I would say. It's like not proper satin. You know what I mean, okay? It doesn't dry out your under eyes, in short, okay? So I am really happy with this purchase. Coming up to my next purchases, okay? I went like little crazy on one brand, okay? And that is e.l.f. Cosmetics. I got their putty primer, poreless putty primer, and oh my god, it was like internationally raved and loved. This is, what the heck? So yeah, okay, so this is the primer, and now I know why it's like internationally raved and loved. Look at that texture, okay? I have used it like very little. When I was like digging into it first, no, I was like, I don't want to ruin this texture, okay? Oh my god, it's so beautiful, and on skin like it's like very beautiful, okay? If you guys wanna try it out, go ahead and buy this. It's like really. Hi guys, hope you are enjoying the Nykaa haul. So मेरे जैसे बाल खराब हो रहे हैं आजकल बहुत ज़्यादा, बहुत रफ हो रहे हैं, like ends are like totally dead, okay? I haven't styled my hair and थोड़ा वॉश करने के बाद ही ऐसा लगता है कि अगेन दोबारा वॉश कर लो अगले दिन. आई नो, और बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैट हो रहे हैं, बिल्कुल बाउंस नहीं है बालों में. आई कैन रिलेट विद यू ऑल. सो आई रिसेंटली फाउंड दिस चिक न्यूट्रिक्स बाउंस, ओके? इट्स इज हेयर बाउंस. दीज आर लाइक टैबलेट्स. सो लेट मी शो यू गाइज. I hope the camera is catching, okay? I've already had like few. It really helps, you know, retaining your hair texture and bounce, and it's like really good. Talking about the ingredient list of it, it's like really clean. It has hair recovery complex, which is HRC. Then it has vitamin C, that is biotin, okay, which is really good for your hair, okay? And it is in the flavor of apple, so you can consume it, okay? What you have to do is, it has shown the instruction, okay, over here. Pop, fizz and cheers, okay? So it has written. Also, you don't have to take this tablet directly, okay? You have to put this tablet in 1 glass of water, then you have to drink it, okay? So yeah, do check this out guys. They have vitamin C range and many other ranges, okay? So many supplements, so you can buy accordingly whatever you feel like. I'm gonna link its buying link in the description box, so make sure to check this out. And yeah, now keep enjoying the beautiful amazing haul video. The next thing I picked up from e.l.f. is their Flawless Base Foundation, Flawless Satin Foundation, I'm so sorry. And this is in the shade 300 Sand. It says neutral undertone. And okay, let me show you guys the shade, okay? It's like again little light for my skin tone. I don't like its pump, okay? इतना सारा निकाल देता है, मतलब इतना waste ही होने वाला है. But I know it's looking like little light for my skin tone, but ये थोड़ी देर बाद ऑक्सीडाइज होने वाला है. जब मैंने बाय किया था ना, I saw like so many videos, but किसी ने बोला ही नहीं, like nobody just mentioned that it oxidizes or not. But it definitely oxidizes. If you guys want me to do a full review on this foundation, do let me know down in the comment section. I would love to do it. The thing I got from e.l.f. is their most hyped concealer, okay? It's their 16-hour camo concealer matte finish. Oh my god, it's like fully matte. It literally cracked my under eyes, okay? This is in the shade light beige, okay? Clearly it's like very light for my skin tone. Let me show you guys. It's like really light, okay? मैं तो work ही नहीं कर सकती. See, it's like very light, okay? But yeah, I can use it for like prepping up my lids and all. I like it, okay? I mean for prepping up my lids, okay? I don't like this concealer. I hate it, okay? इसका review चाहिए तो तब भी मुझे बता देना. I'll do it for you all. So the next thing I picked up from e.l.f. is their bite size eyeshadow palette, and this is in the variant Rose Water. And look at this beauty. It has like one transition shade and others are like glitters, but they are really beautiful, okay? The pigmentation is amazing. Let me show you all. See the pigmentation, okay? It's like good. The matte one is like okayish for me. It's like kind of chalky, I would say, powdery, but it's like okay for 400. I believe it was like 400 or 500. I mean, it's okay. Next thing I picked up from Elf is their lip lacquer, and this is in the shade Wild Rose, and this is what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and obviously lipstick underneath it. It's like a beautiful lip gloss. See, the wand is like really good, and it smells like heaven. Okay, if you guys wanna buy this, go ahead and buy this. Kahan karu swatch? Okay. It has like a little bit of color in it, but it's not like opaque. So yeah, it's like a thick lip lacquer, lip gloss. Okay. The next thing I picked up from Elf was their eyebrow pencil, and this is how it looks like. It is their instant lift brow pencil, and it's over, you guys. It's like over. खत्म. ठीक है, इसमें कुछ भी नहीं है अब. And okay, I'll show you. थोड़ा बहुत तो है ही इसमें. See, it says like dark brown, but कहीं से कहीं तक ये dark brown नहीं है. It's like black. Okay. Not a huge fan of this eyebrow pencil. It was for like 300 or something. It was like okay for me, and यहाँ पे spoolie भी आता है, so ठीक है. If you guys want to try it out, कर लो, but I don't like it. I have one more product from Sugar Cosmetics. It's their Arch Arrival Brow Pencil, and this one is in the shade 01 Cherry Brown. And look at the tip, okay? It's like really amazing. It's like quite slanted, so it's like really convenient, and other side you'll get a good size spoolie, but the spoolie is like really thick, okay? I like my spoolies to be tapered at the end, okay? So it's like okay for me. I'll give you guys a swatch. It's like decently pigmented. It's not powdery, it's not waxy, it's like good in between, okay? So I like it, kinda like it, but it's like okay, I don't wanna. For lipstick, I picked up this Maybelline Super Stay Ink lipstick, and this one is in the shade Delicate 225, okay? And look at the wand. It's like pretty good. I'll show you guys. Swatch. कहाँ ही swatch कर रही हूँ, कभी देखा है YouTube वगैरह swatch करते हैं. It's like a beautiful pink shade, but I don't like its formula, okay? It's like, I know it's like loved by so many people, like it's mask proof and transfer proof. It is, but it's like really sticky on the lips, which I hate the most. I mean, थोड़े time बाद मैं सोचा चली जाएगी, but नहीं गई, okay? So thing I picked up for my lips is this Lakme Forever Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this was in the shade Nude Pink. Okay, अभी मैंने इसको खोला भी नहीं है because I have one shade. I mean, I repurchased this shade. So yeah, बाद में मिल जाएगा कभी swatch क्योंकि मैं अभी नहीं खोलने वाली. So the last thing I purchased was this Maybelline's Long Lasting Fix. It's a setting spray, and I don't know why it is so underrated. मतलब मैंने किसी को बात करते हुए ही नहीं सुना इसका. Let me guys show you the aerosol of it. Just see. I hope the camera catched, okay? It's like super fine. It says like matte finish, but it gives like skin like finish, okay? Natural finish. I love it so much. आधा हो गया. I think मैं इसको जल्दी repurchase भी करूँगी. If you guys wanna try out a good affordable setting spray, go for this one or Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is like okay-ish, but for like बाहर जाना है तो लगाना है, so go and buy this, okay? It's like really good for dry skin types. I mean, for dry skin types I recommend it. For like oily skin types I don't think it would work. So I totally forgot about this foundation. I got this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Foundation, and I'm in the shade W120 Warm Cream. I mean, it's not my shade, like obviously it's like very light, but I'm glad I got it, okay? I have like so many dark foundations. I mean, online shopping sucks, bro, okay? मेरे सारे foundations ऐसे हैं ना, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा light है, कोई बहुत ज़्यादा dark है, तो मेरे को तो आदत हो गई, मुझे लग रहा है वैसा. But the formula of this is like really good. I got it for like 300 only, okay? It retails for like 500 or something. The prices I'll mention it somewhere, but if you guys wanna try it out, it's like always on the sale, so try it, get your shade. I mean, it's like really good and affordable. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I know एक दो product इधर उधर थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे था, but बाकी सारे product बहुत affordable थे. Also, let me know in the comment section कि would you guys like to see like full face of new makeup, और अफोर्डेबल मेकअप, वट एवर यू फील लाइक, ओके, कमेंट करके बताना मेरे को, ठीक है, बिना कमेंट करे मत जाना। मैंने ज़्यादा रिव्यू इसलिए नहीं दिया वरना बहुत ज़्यादा लंबा हो जाता वीडियो। आई थिंक अभी भी 16 to 17 मिनट्स का होने वाला है। ओह माय गॉड, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा एडिटिंग करनी पड़ेगी। सो या वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब। ऑल्सो मेक श्योर टू चेक आउट माई इंस्टाग्राम एज वेल, वहाँ पे मैं ज़्यादा रेगुलर रहती हूँ। एंड यस, यू ऑल इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो। टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर।